Hello, my name is Stephanie Lanes. I'm the owner of Smooth Skin Supply, and this is our brand new brand called Sauberwell. Both our disinfectant as well as our sanitizers are both unscented, so we don't have to worry about that. We will end at the very end with our IMU Air, so that way it's in the air, so when the new client comes in, they're smelling the IMU Air and we're still sanitizing and disinfecting. So let's go ahead and get started. We're gonna go ahead and clean all of this, and then we're going to do the disinfection process. Twin oxide does not need to be wiped away. It actually will evaporate over time. Everything right now is disinfected. So sanitation with our sanitizing gloves. I spray, leave it, let it absorb, is the disinfection process. Very easy. Before I leave, while it's sanitized and disinfected, I'm going to spray my IMU Air one time, let it absorb in, and then I'll close the door.